Hi, greeting from STMIC classes. Desire, decision, and determination is necessary for anybody to achieve the goal, life's goal. If one should have this, then nothing is impossible. We continue with the chapter 1, Introduction to Partnership and Partnership Final Accounts, part 16, 16th class. Hope you must have watched the previous classes. I believe you all must have understood. I request you to pay attention. Now let us continue. Again, in the last class also we revised what we learned in this particular chapter, Introduction to Partnership and Partnership Final Accounts. Let us go through again, because I want to complete and finish this class today, chapter 1. Chapter 1 in this session, because it's almost the 16th class, and now I have to continue start with the chapter 2. So I will finish it today itself. So let us revise again what we learned in this chapter. What is partnership? Definition of partnership. What is a firm? Firm means a partnership business. Partner, partners, features of partnership, partnership deed, contents of partnership deed, importance of partnership deed, and provisions of Indian Partnership Act 1932. We discussed it in detail. Partners capital account, fixed capital method. Under fixed capital method, fixed capital account and a current capital account will be maintained, and then a fluctuating capital account. The partners capital accounts are maintained in two ways: fixed capital method and fluctuating capital account method. So this we learned. Adjustment related to capital accounts. Working examples of maintaining partners capital accounts under both the methods. We worked out some problems, and some examples also we worked out. And now the contents of partnership final accounts, competency statements, various steps in accounting. These are very important steps. You have to learn that, then it will be very easy for you to just solve the problems and finalize the accounts. Steps of the things are preparation of journal and subsidiary register, entering the primary registers, and then preparation of ledger, that from subsidiary register or journal to the ledger, that is called posting. Then preparation of trial balance. After doing all the entries and posting, the ledger accounts are closed, debit side and credit side, and then it is total, and whichever side is there is a balance. If it is a debit balance, it will be taken on the debit side of the trial balance, and if it is a credit balance, it will be taken on the credit side of the trial balance. These are all things I have explained. This is the preparation of first trial balance, and then adjustment entries. Some adjustment entries, important adjustment entries are coming that we have to pass through. If this trial balance if the trial balance is prepared and the adjustment entries are came, and before finalization, if these entries are there, and we can just pass through the books of accounts, and then again extract a trial balance. That is a final trial balance after adjustments. So if that is not possible, suppose if that trial balance is given, then adjustments are given. So in your case, means suppose if this problem is given, first trial balance is given, then adjustment entries are given, and in that case, no, it's not possible to just pass through the books and then again prepare a trial balance. So what you have to do, you have to prepare the final accounts with the help of the first trial balance, and the adjustment entries are incorporated into that, and then you have to make that trading profit and loss account and balance sheet. And then preparation of final accounts. Preparation of final accounts consists of trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. And necessity of preparation of final accounts. Why these final accounts are prepared? Then preparation of final accounts. In the last class, I explained and worked out interest, depreciation, gross profit, etc. Also shown one problem and its solution, how to work out. So these things we have explained until the last class. Now I will show you one more illustration, one more problem, how to work out it, and then the remaining things that will be recorded separately, and then it will not be uploaded on the YouTube because it is very vast, and it will be kept separately. On request and demand, it will be shared to those who are interested to get that. So, and the thing is that these classes, when you just go through and read the textbooks and practice it, then it will be very easy for you to just score maximum marks. And if the other notes and question answers, vast notes are prepared, extensive notes are prepared, and question answers and problems and solutions, workouts, and some additional problems, extra problems coming from various years, and that is worked out. Questions are asked, all these things. This will be separate, and if you get that and then just start working on it, definitely 100% I'm sure that you can score 100% marks, full 100% marks. Okay, now let us start with the solution, because it takes around, so just to explain you, when we work out, it takes hardly 15 to 20 minutes, and when I explain you, then it will take around almost 1 hour. So it will be difficult to just show you all the problems to work out. So I will just show you one more problem how to work out, and then accordingly you can just take it further. You can, and then accordingly you can just take that your textbooks and take some other book references and all these things and work out, practice. Let us see these are problems, practical problems. Example 2. From the following trial balance of Mitesh and Mangesh, you are required to prepare trading profit and loss account at the year ended 31st March 2019, and the balance sheet is on that date. Now, to prepare, what are the things need to be prepared? Trading, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. So trial balance is given. So the debit side is given, stock is on 31st March 2018. So the closing date is 31st March 2019. So that means this is the ending, and this will be the opening, starting. So when the stock is on 1/4/2018 means opening stock. Okay, opening stock of materials or finished goods or whatever it is, it's opening stock. Then building, carriage in inward, then factory insurance, postage, bills receivable, sundry debtors, return inward. Return inward means sales return. Okay, return outward means purchase return. Means return inward means जो भी हम लोग ने सेल किया था वो वापस आ गया, that means return inward. Return outward means जो हम लोग ने purchase किया था वो हम लोग ने वापस दे दिया, return outward, that is purchase return. So purchases, audit fees, loose tools, manufacturing expenses, electricity charges, general expenses, export duty, cash in hand, bank balance, conveyance, furniture, salaries, rent rates and taxes. Then drawings of Mitesh and Mangesh. So that is a debit column. Credit column of the trial balance, sundry creditor, sales, capital account, Mitesh and Mangesh, outstanding salary, bills payable, return outward. That means purchase return. Then current account, current capital account of Mitesh and Mangesh. Here current account is shown separately. If this is not given, then it can be taken as a fluctuating under this capital account will be maintained under fluctuating capital account method. So that will be directly taken to the balance sheet, and then adjustment entries are done individually under the each partner's account. Whereas if it is a current account is given separately, then we have to maintain a partner's current account. Okay, so I will show you how to do that. Now then after that, there are some adjustment entries given. Mitesh and Mangesh are sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:1. If it is not given, the rule already we have given that if it is not mentioned, then it will be treated as equal. Then partners are entitled to get a commission of 1% on each on gross profit, 1% for both of them on GP, not on NP. It is on gross profit. You should see that whether it is paid on sales or whether it is paid on gross profit, whether it is allowed given to only one partner or any partner who brings the sales, or whether it is on gross profit or on gross profit on net profit. Net profit before commission before net profit or commission after net profit. All these things should be considered. So here it is given on 1% on gross profit. Then closing stock, outstanding expenses. Here there are two adjustments given in the outstanding expenses: audit fees and carriage inward. Then building is valued at 46,500. Furniture is depreciated by 5%. Then provide interest on partners' capital at the rate of 2.5% per annum. Goods of 900 were taken by Mangesh for his personal use, so it should be treated as drawings of Mangesh. Then write-off of 1000 as bad debts, and maintain RD at 3% on sundry debtors. So these adjustment entries we have to pass. Now let us see, it is already worked out here in this. Okay, now everything is worked out here. So, but for your benefit, what I will do, I will show you how to work out it, so that it will be clear how to work out a problem. You will come to know. See, here it is, I taken a blank sheet. Since there is the time limit is there, once if I start writing on this, it will take around more than 1.5 hours. So I already taken that I had CAT type written here. Now we have to just see that only thing is that you have to just write here. Instead of that, I have already written it here just to save the time. So now you have, when you prepare it, you have to write it here. Then how to do it? Let's see. This is what we will do. We'll take from the debit side. Start taking from the debit side. Okay. Now take closing stock. Sorry, stock is on 1st April 2018. That is a opening stock. The opening stock is a trading item. See, the thing is that 25,000. What we have to do, first we will take from the trial balance all the items we will take without leaving anything. So we will take from the trial balance. So we have already learned that when we are taking it from the trial balance, it will be recorded once in either into the trading account or in the profit and loss account or in the balance sheet. Okay, balance sheet, whether it is a asset item or a liability item, correspond and accordingly we have to take it. So now second, then once this all these trial balance items are taken, then we can go to the adjustment entries. So when we are taking this trial balance item, if there is any adjustment entries, then that particular heading, particular item, this expenditure or asset or whatever it is, or liability, whatever it is, that should be taken to the inner column of either trading account. See, there are two columns kept in here, inner column and outer column. See, the inner column is kept for working out some things, to work out thing. So either it can be taken to the profit, this inner column. If there are adjustments, if there are no adjustments, then directly that can be taken to the outer column. Since in the opening stock there is no any other there won't be any adjustment in the opening balance, so it is taken directly. Now second, building. So building is a asset, so it will be taken to the balance sheet asset side. Since building is valued at 46, that means there will be a depreciation, maybe it will be coming. So we will take it to the asset column of the asset side of the balance sheet. Inner column 48,500. Sorry, 48,500. Okay, 48,500. Now carriage. Carriage is what? Carriage inward. There is nothing is mentioned, so carriage, only carriage is given. Carriage outward, if it is given, then it should go to the, it must go to the profit and loss account. Carriage inward, it is a trading item, trading expenditure. This will go to the direct expenditure, so it will take under the trading account. Since there is only carriage mentioned, so we will take it into the trading account. 1780. Whether there is any adjustment entries, that also we have to see. Carriage, yes, there is a adjustment entry outstanding, fourth one. So what we will take, what is the amount? Carriage 1780. 1780. It's a carriage 1780. Okay, we will take it the inner column because there are one adjustment entry coming. First we will complete that this part. Then fourth, factory insurance. It is mentioned factory insurance, so it should go to the trading part. 2700. Factory insurance 2700. Since there are no adjustments, it is taken directly to the outer column. Then and postage, fifth, postage 1600. There is no any other adjustments, so it will be taken to the profit and loss account. 1600 directly taken to the profit and loss account. Then bills receivable. Bills receivable is what? It is a asset, so it will go to the balance sheet. 13,700. There are no adjustments, I hope. So no, there are no adjustments for bills receivable. So bills receivable 13,700. 13,700 directly taken to the outer column. 13,700. Now bills receivable हो गया. Then sundry debtors. Seventh, sundry debtors. There will be some adjustments. Write off है बैड डेट्स, तो सन्ड्री डेटर्स में इफेक्ट होगा. एंड आरडीडी मेंटेन करना तो भी सन्ड्री डेटर्स में इफेक्ट होगा. सो व्हाट वी विल हैव टू डू, सन्ड्री डेटर्स 52,200 और एडजस्टमेंट्स के लिए इनर कॉलम में ले लेगा. असेट साइड में बैलेंस शीट असेट साइड, दिस इज नॉट ए रेवेन्यू आइटम, इट्स एन असेट बैलेंस शीट आइटम. सो 52,200. Sundry debtors inner column 52,200. Okay, now next entry is return inward. Return inward means sales return. Okay, so it will be taken to the trading item, sales less returns. Okay, so trading item less returns. What is that amount coming? In return inward 1,600 return. Okay, we have taken the less return because one by one, no, all items. This you have to just, when you are preparing it, so by sales, if the sales return is there, then you have to just mention it here. So this sales you have to write and then less returns. Then first to take this less return item and enter that. Okay, or whatever you are doing, you can tick it here. You can tick. That is also possible. Once you are ticking it, I am taking it serially so that one should nothing should be missed out. Okay, that way it is. Or you can take it all revenue items first and then balance sheet items later. That also way. But whatever you are doing, you have to tick it so that nothing will miss out. Okay. So now ninth, purchases. This way I am doing because it will be easy for me, and some people it will be easy. That means that whatever means first they will prepare that trading account, then profit and loss account. That way it is. That way also we can do. If we would have got so much of time and ample of time, then we could have worked out that. That way also it is possible. First we will take the trading account, and then profit and loss account, and then the balance sheet item. Each item will be picked out from the trial balance accordingly. First trading items will be picked out, picked out and then ticked, and then profit and loss items are written and then ticked. Then later the balance sheet items. That way also we can do. Whatever way we are doing, it is possible. If it is a printed sheet, it will be better. We can make the first trading profit and loss account and then balance sheet. So now purchases 68,900. Purchases is a trading item 68,900. 68,900. Okay, now purchases हो गया. Audit fees 10th. Audit fees 1,800. Audit fees, there is a entry. Audit fees 1,800. So it is taken on the inner column. Then loose tools is a balance sheet item. There is no adjustment, so it will be taken on the directly on the balance sheet. 3,200 loose tools. $32,000. Then manufacturing expenses, it is clear. It will be taken to the trading account. 1820. There is no any other adjustment, so it is taken directly. And then electricity charges is a profit and loss account item 2,600. No adjustments, so 2,600. Then general expenses profit and loss account item 3,400. No adjustments, 3,400. Then export duty is a profit and loss account item. Export duty 1,000. Then cash in hand, this is a balance sheet item. Bank balance, that is also a balance sheet item. So cash in hand 75,000, 16, and bank balance 29,000, 75,000, 29,000. So 17. We'll take it here. Cash in hand 75,000 and balance sheet item. This is bank balance 29,000. Now no conveyance is a profit and loss account item 4,100. 4,100. Furniture is a balance sheet item, and there are there is a depreciation coming, so it will be taken to the inner column of the balance sheet asset side. Furniture 64,000. Furniture 64,000. Then salaries 2,000. Profit and loss account item 2,000. Then rent rates and taxes 3,700. Then what is coming? Drawings. Since there are current capital account, it should be taken to the partners current capital account, partners current account 22, 23. Mitesh and Mankesh drawings. Okay, now so this debit item is completely taken. Now come to the credit side. Sundry creditors 1. This is a balance sheet item, so it is taken directly. There is no adjustments and entries, so it will be taken directly to the balance sheet liability side. How much it is? 38,000. Then what? Sales 2. Trading item 1,75,000. Sales less returns, outer column में ले लिया. Since I have put it in a formula, it's automatically coming. Otherwise, you have to take it like this. O minus करके ये करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, like that it is. Then capital account of Mitesh and Mankesh 3 and 4. So since they are maintaining capital under fixed method, a fixed capital directly taken to the balance sheet and current account will be taken to the separate current capital account. Capital current account. So now 1,50,000 and 50,000 going directly to the balance sheet. $1,50,000 and 50,000. See, since they are maintaining it under fixed capital method, if it is a fluctuation capital method, so methods will be taken here and are the adjustments, add profit, less returns, all these things, any other adjustments coming like that it is coming, and then finally it will be taken to and then the second partner, Mangesh, add profit, Mangesh capital account, add profit, less returns, like that it is. So since it is a fixed method, this will not change. So that is the reason is whatever changes are happening, that will be in the current account. Now outstanding salaries. The salaries are not paid. 2,000 rupees is not paid. So it is taken to the balance sheet liability side. Outstanding expenses, salaries 2,000. There are other outstanding expenses also. That is the reason it is taken to the inner column. Total outstanding expenses. Outstanding expenses is a common head. There can be various outstanding expenses head. Different types of heads can. So salaries, audit fees, carriage, whatever it is, all the outstanding expenses are taken grouped one under one this thing head. So it's taken here. Now bills payable is also an is a liability, so it is going to the credits liability side of the balance sheet. Is there any adjustment? Bills payable, no, so it is taken directly to the liability side of the balance sheet. 18,000. Now return outward means what? Purchase return. 7th, purchase return 1,800. Return inward, sales return outward, purchase return. Okay, 1,800. We'll take to the trading account. 1,800. Same way, purchases less returns. Final, this figure is taken here. Now current account का भी इसमें से लेने का 8 and 9. Current account में मितेश 3,000, 2,000, then मंगेश 2,000 current account में, current capital account में ले लेगा. मितेश 2,000, मंगेश 3,000. Okay, now ओ पूरा इसके हिसाब से ये पूरा ट्रायल बैलेंस में से पूरा ले लिया. ठीक है, there is no difference. Now the adjustment entries we have to pass. Each adjustment entries. See, So what we have to do, first thing we have to take close the trading account. तो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट क्लोज करने से पहले क्या ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट रिलेटेड कुछ एडजस्टमेंट एंट्रीज है क्या, वो पहला देखना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू सी दैट वेदर देर इज एनी एडजस्टमेंट्स related to trading account. Okay, so first closing stock, this comes to the trading account. So what we will take, third is the third adjustment entry number, and that is 23,700. When we are passing these adjustment entries, you have to give two effects. When we are taking this, these are given only one effect, either to the trading account debit side or credit side, or balance sheet liability side or asset side, whatever it is, only one effect is given. Now when we are giving this, two effects are given. Just see, first we will give to the closing stock effect, trading account, 23,700. Now the same effect will be given to the asset side of the balance sheet, closing stock 23,700. Okay, so now second adjustment, any trading account related, GP will be calculated. Partners commission देना रहेगा, तो commission is a profit and loss account item, but on GP, तो GP वर्कआउट करना पड़ेगा. जब तो ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट रिलेटेड आइटम, ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट रिलेटेड आइटम में कुछ है, राइट ऑफ गुड्स वर्थ मंगेश, या ये पर्सनल यूज़ में जो ये गुड्स लिया है, इसका भी एंट्री तो पास करना पड़ेगा. ओके, फर्स्ट ओके, सो गुड्स मंगेश 900 रुपीज़ का गुड्स विड्रॉ किया है, यूज़ किया है, सो पर्सनल यूज़ के लिए लिया है, सो दैट इज हिज ड्राइंग्स. सो 8वां एंट्री, फर्स्ट गो टू द ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट एंड देन सेकेंड इफेक्ट इसका पर्सनल करंट कैपिटल अकाउंट में जाएगा. 900 रुपीज़ एंड देन सेकेंड इफेक्ट विल बी गिवन टू मंगेश, गुड्स विड्रॉन 900. ओके, सो नाउ वो इफेक्ट हो गया. ट्रेडिंग रिलेटेड अकाउंट, ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट रिलेटेड जो भी एंट्री से पास करना पड़ेगा. तो कैरेज ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट का में हम लोग ने दिया है, तो इसका ये देना पड़ेगा. तो उसका एंट्री फोर्थ, और फोर्थ में और एक एंट्री है. ठीक है, इसके लिए हम लोग ने उसको क्वेश्चन मार्क डाल के रखा है. वन मोर एंट्री है, इसमें दो है ना, अगर तीन रहेगा तो थ्री टाइम्स, क्योंकि वो मिस आउट नहीं होना चाहिए. इसके लिए ये हम लोग ने इधर मार्क करते टाइम हमको लगेगा मीन्स या ये हो गया करके, दैट शुड नॉट हैपन. सो ना कैरेज 600 है, तो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में 600 का आउटस्टैंडिंग में लेना पड़ेगा. 600 का आउटस्टैंडिंग, 600 आउटस्टैंडिंग में इधर ले लिया. नो द सेकेंड इफेक्ट कहाँ लेना पड़ेगा, बैलेंस शीट में लायबिलिटी साइड में, इधर डेबिट साइड में ले लिया, नो बैलेंस शीट में लायबिलिटी साइड में कैरेज 900 रुपीज़. ओके, ये ले लिया. ओके, सो नाउ ये क्या हो गया, अभी कुछ ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट रिलेटेड एंट्री है नहीं. क्लोजिंग स्टॉक हो गया, आउटस्टैंडिंग में ये ले लिया, बिल्डिंग फर्नीचर प्रोवाइड, ये नो, सो नथिंग इज देयर. तो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट कंप्लीट हो गया. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट कंप्लीट हो गया तो जीपी ऑलरेडी ये आ गया है. जीपी मीन्स ये जो टोटल डायरेक्ट इनकम ये जो आ गया, उसमें से डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंडिचर माइनस किया, 99,000 जो माइनस ये जो एंट्री माइनस किया, सो ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट आ गया. ठीक है, ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट क्या करेगा, ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट इधर ब्रॉड डाउन किया. ओके, न्यू एनी अदर इनडायरेक्ट इनकम आएगा तो इधर क्रेडिट साइड में ले लेगा. ठीक है, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट का. एंड दिस पार्ट इज, दिस अपर पार्ट इज, दिस टोटल पार्ट इज ट्रेडिंग पार्ट, एंड बिलो दिस पार्ट इज, this is profit and loss account. Okay, profit and loss account. So what we will do, ये हम लोग ने ऑलरेडी इधर ये जो ट्रायल बैलेंस से ले लिया है. नाउ द एडजस्टमेंट एंट्रीज का इफेक्ट देना पड़ेगा. एडजस्टमेंट एंट्रीज, नाउ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट आइटम्स में जो है, पार्टनर्स आर एंटाइटल्ड टू गेट ए कमीशन 1% ऑन ईच. तो उसका एंट्री पास करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी जीपी हम लोग ने वर्कआउट किया है. तो सेकेंड एंट्री नंबर, तो जीपी, उसमें वर्किंग नोट देख लीजिए. 99,000 का 1% बोले 990. तो उसका भी मैंने आपको एक वर्किंग नोट हम लोग वर्कआउट करके ये दिया है. commission payable to partners. Gross profit 99,000. Mitesh 1%. 1 upon 100 multiplied by 99,000. 99,000 is the gross profit. That is 990. दोनों को applicable है 1% each. So उसका commission to partners 990 ये पास किया है. और ये जो उसका सेकेंड इफेक्ट है उसका करंट अकाउंट में ले लेगा. ओके, कमीशन टू पार्टनर्स 990. ओके, नाउ एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री इसका ये भी इसका जो भी एंट्री हम लोग पास कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, दिस इज when we get the net profit, that time this distribution will be done. So let it be there. Now this is second. ये जो adjustment entry है ऑडिट फीस उसका आउटस्टैंडिंग है, उसको भी इफेक्ट ले लेता हूँ. ठीक है, तो फोर्थ वो भी ले लेता हूँ. ऑडिट फीस 400. ऑडिट फीस प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट आइटम है तो उसको ऑडिट फीस 400. और उसका सेकेंड इफेक्ट बैलेंस शीट में लायबिलिटी साइड में आउटस्टैंडिंग लायबिलिटीज़ में ऑडिट फीस 400. ओके, वो भी ले लिया. सो एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री वो भी हो गया. नाउ बिल्डिंग इज़ वैल्यूड एट 46,500. सो नाउ लेट अस टेक दिस एंट्री इस बैलेंस शीट आइटम एसेट साइड. ठीक है, तो 46,500 जो बैलेंस ये ले लिया है तो उसका मतलब क्या है 46,500. So 46,500 बोलेगा तो 2,000 is the depreciation. Depreciation rate is not given, but it is directly said that it is valued at 46,500. So 46,500 आने के लिए क्या करेगा, 46,500 आने के लिए 2,000 is the depreciation. So the first effect इधर ले लिया है. second effect हम लोग इधर depreciation में, इधर profit and loss account में depreciation on building 2,000. Okay. सो नाउ एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री डिप्रिसिएशन का जो बिल्डिंग का हो गया. ओके, उसका वर्किंग नोट भी इधर दिया है. यू कैन सी दैट बिल्डिंग इज वैल्यूड एट 46,500 whereas the opening balance of the building is 48,500. Therefore the difference amount 48,500 minus 46,500 is 2,000. That is nothing but depreciation. And here also we have given in this problem partners capital current account balances are given. So the total amount of fixed capital is directly shown in the liability side of the balance sheet. The effects of the adjustment related to commission to partners, salary, interest on capital, goods withdrawn, etc. and net profit, everything is taken to the partners current account. And then closing balance are shown separately on the liability side of the closing balance of current account. Current credit balance are shown separately on the liability side of the balance sheet. Okay, वो separately बताएंगे balance sheet में. Okay, now that is also given. Now adjustment entry, furniture 5%. Sixth entry, furniture is depreciated by 5%. So furniture का कितना है 64,000. 64,000 का 5% बोलेगा तो 400 3,200. 3,200 that will be taken on the depreciation of furniture 3,200. Okay, that is also taken. Now what is the other adjustment entry? So furniture का वो भी हो गया. Now provide interest on interest on partners capital 2.5% per annum. So जो फिक्स कैपिटल जो इन्वेस्ट किया है उसके ऊपर 2.5% अलाउड किया है इंटरेस्ट ऑन पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. सो 1,50,000 मंगेश का है, मितेश का है, और 50,000 इसका है. सो 2.5% पर एनम, सॉरी 2.5% पर एनम. तो उसको क्या होगा ये this multiplied by this upon 100 कितना हो गया 3750. सेम वे 2.5 this multiplied by 2.5 upon 100 और डायरेक्टली परसेंट का साइन ये कर सकते हैं. तो कितना हो गया 1250. सो व्हाट ये जो इफेक्ट जो है इंटरेस्ट ऑन पार्टनर्स कैपिटल, उसका फर्स्ट इफेक्ट प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में डेबिट करेगा 3750 एंड 1250. 3750 and 1250. Okay, that is given, and the second effect is given to their current account, capital current account. 3750 and 1250. Okay, now that is also taken. Now adjustment entry number 7th entry is also taken. Now 9th entry debtors में है adjustment. Okay, so now the right of 9th entry हो गया. तो क्या है 1000 rupees to be written off as a bad debt. So bad debt 1000 rupees आ गया है. और bad debt RDD reserve for doubtful debts 3% ऑन सन्ड्री डेटर्स में मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा. तो क्या है टोटल सन्ड्री डेटर्स जो था उसमें से जो बैड डेट्स माइनस करेगा जो बैलेंस आएगा उसके ऊपर 3%. ओके, आई विल शो यू. सन्ड्री डेटर्स इधर टोटल कितना लिया है 52,500. सो न्यू बैड डेट्स कितना है 1000. ठीक है, इसके ऊपर 3% upon 100. So 1536. इसका सेकेंड इफेक्ट किधर जाएगा प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में. ओके, न्यू बैड डेट्स 1000 देन 1536. ठीक है, ये क्यों है सन्ड्री डेटर्स इतना था और एडिशनल बैड डेट्स आ गया था, न्यू बैड डेट्स आ गया था 1000 रुपीज़. तो 1000 रुपीज़ को तो इतना माइनस करके इतना ही है अभी सन्ड्री डेटर्स, ये तो रेट ऑफ हो गया. तो ये 51,200 के ऊपर रिजर्व फॉर डाउटफुल डेट्स 3% मेंटेन करने के लिए बोलता है, तो वो उतना माइनस कर लिया. ओके, यू गॉट इट. तो ये अभी उसका जो सेकेंड इफेक्ट इधर लिया, इधर अपना प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में RDD इधर लिया है. ठीक है, नाउ I hope you have it is clear. Adjustment entries भी complete हो गया है. Only first part. Now ये सब complete होने के बाद में क्या होगा, नेट प्रॉफिट आएगा. नेट प्रॉफिट कितना है देखो, ये टोटल कितना है, टोटल रेवेन्यू 99,000 जो है अदर इनडायरेक्ट इसमें आ गया, अदर इनडायरेक्ट इनकम नहीं है. तो टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर आ गया ये विथ ऑल दिस एडजस्टमेंट्स 35,316. तो 35,316 माइनस 99,000 आएगा 63,684. अभी ये 63,684 को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने का है. कैपिटल रेशियो कितना दिया है 3:1. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी टेक द फर्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री नंबर 1. ओके, फर्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री. तो 3:1 का जो रेशियो में इसको 3:1 मीन्स 4 से डिवाइड करके 3 पार्ट किसको मितेश को है और 1 पार्ट मंगेश को है. सी लाइक दिस 47,763. You understand this, no? It is like this. Upon 4 multiplied by 3. Okay, और उसका एक पार्ट जो है वो लाइक दिस upon 4 multiplied by 8. सी लाइक दिस. सो ये जो है ये इधर हम लोग मितेश को 47,763 एंड मंगेश को 15,921. अभी इसका सेकेंड इफेक्ट किधर जाएगा? पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट में. ओके, सो देन दैट ऑल्सो विल कंप्लीट बाय प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट और ब्रॉड डाउन जो है 47,763 एंड 15,921. 43 ये टोटल कितना हो गया? 54,503 एंड 21. इसमें से ये जो है उसका ये जो मितेश का है जो भी डेबिट साइड का पूरा माइनस करके 53,303 बैलेंस आ गया. और मंगेश का ये 21,161 में से ये डेबिट साइड का माइनस करके 18,061 आ गया. तो अभी ये करेगा, इसको बैलेंस शीट में कैरी फॉरवर्ड करेगा तो वैसा फिर वो कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट 53,303 प्लस ये जो रहेगा मंगेश का 18,061. ओके, ये टोटल होने के टाइम में सब कंप्लीट हो गया. ओके, 600 है. There is a difference of 300 showing in the balance sheet. See, there is a difference of this minus this 300. वो क्या है वो देखता हूँ. कैरेज 600 था, वो 900 हम लोग ने बाय मिस्टेक लिया है. कैरेज 600 है. ठीक है, तो आउटस्टैंडिंग जो है ये कितना था? 600 था, तो हम लोग ने उधर 900 लिया है. तो 600 इधर डेबिट किया है और बैलेंस शीट में उसको 900 लिया है, तो 600 लिया. तो there is no difference. Okay, so there won't be any single पैसे difference in the balance sheet. Okay? एक पैसे का difference नहीं आएगा प्रॉपर करेगा तो. So this is the way you have to finalize it. Or the other way means this I think we don't have that much time now because it's almost an hour or something we have taken to just show this, work out this problem. Now let us otherwise sometimes you can just take this, for example, how to take this all trading items first we will take like that and उसको टिक करेगा. See like this, उसको एक टिक करेगा. देन ट्रेडिंग आइटम पूरा इधर कितना है, क्या क्या है ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट, इधर ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में क्या है? स्टॉक आया, सॉरी कैरेज आया, फैक्ट्री इंश्योरेंस आ गया. और इसमें जो भी ट्रेडिंग आइटम जो है वो पूरा लेने के बाद में जो भी एडजस्टमेंट ट्रेडिंग रिलेटेड, ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट रिलेटेड एडजस्टमेंट रहेगा उसका एंट्रीज पहला करेगा और ट्रेडिंग पार्ट पहला ले लेगा. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट पहला फाइंड आउट करेगा. देन प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट आइटम्स इसमें से पिकअप करेगा. ट्रायल बैलेंस में से जो भी एडजस्टमेंट एंट्रीज रिलेटेड टू प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट का जो है वो भी ले लेगा. देन वो पार्ट भी कंप्लीट करने के बाद में पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट को ये जो भी एंट्री रिलेटेड है वो सब इधर ले लेगा, उसको क्लोज करेगा. एंड देन फाइनली बैलेंस शीट आइटम्स को ट्रायल बैलेंस में से ले लेगा और जो भी आइटम्स जो है उसका सेकंड इफेक्ट लेगा वो सब एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री से लेके इसको क्लोज करेगा. सो उससे वो भी कर सकते हैं. बट always you remember that when you are taking from the trial balance वो एक एंट्री किसी में जो भी रेस्पेक्टिवली इसमें जाएगा और इसमें से जो देते टाइम में 2 इफेक्ट्स देना पड़ेगा. तो इसके लिए क्या है, हमेशा कभी भी जो करते हैं तो मैं अभी जो किया है उस तरीके से करेगा. तो क्या है उसका पूरा ले लिया, फिर एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री से ले लिया. तो एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री में क्या है 2 इफेक्ट हम लोग है ना एक साइड में लिया तो सेकंड इफेक्ट उधर ले लिया. अभी भी देखा था ना हम लोग ने जो यहाँ जो 600 रुपीज़ था कैरेज में, तो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में उसका इफेक्ट हम लोग ने 600 लिया था और बैलेंस शीट में उधर बाय मिस्टेक हम लोग ने इधर कितना लिया था 900 लिया था. तो डिफरेंस आया था ना. सो जो भी रहेगा हम लोग इमीडिएटली फाइंड आउट भी कर सकते हैं वेयर इज सम डिफरेंस. तो प्रॉपर करेगा एग्जैक्टली अगर मीन्स जो विदाउट मिस्टेक नहीं. अब उधर भी जो 600 जो डायरेक्टली लेता था उधर भी 600, देन देयर विल नॉट बी एनी डिफरेंस. ठीक है, उस तरीके से बोलने का ये है कि मीन्स व्हेन यू आर मेकिंग ए बैलेंस शीट ए ट्रायल बैलेंस में से जो भी जो टैली ट्रायल बैलेंस में से जो एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री पास करेगा, मेक श्योर दैट योर बैलेंस शीट विल टैली. बैलेंस शीट मस्ट टैली. बैलेंस शीट टैली होएगा ही, एक पैसे का डिफरेंस नहीं आएगा. ओके, दैट इज अ थिंग. होप यू अंडरस्टूड how to work out this and all this thing. Now take a few examples and all this thing from your uh, textbook and all these things, then you can work out. Here problem number 3 is also kept as a blank sheet also, and then it is worked out. Here it is totally worked out, वो भी रखा है और इधर problem workout करने के लिए भी रखा है. Let us now close this chapter. We will finish this chapter 1 today. Okay, now we will continue with the chapter 2. So hope this is not that much complicated. So what I am telling you means, when we are doing it in a systematic way and without making any mistake, you can definitely means जो थोड़ा practice करेगा तो आ जाएगा. But one thing you must understand, that whether it is a revenue item, whether it is an income or an expenditure, trading item or a profit and loss account. Because see here in this case, GP पे gross profit पे 1% बोला है. If the gross profit there is a difference, then आपका पूरा ये जो difference हो जाएगा. तो this is most important. जो trading account, जो direct expenditure क्या है, indirect expenditure क्या है, वो सब, direct income क्या है, डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंडिचर आइटम कौन सा है, इनडायरेक्ट इनकम क्या है, कौन सा आइटम्स है, और इनडायरेक्ट एक्सपेंडिचर क्या है, और उसका एडजस्टमेंट एंट्रीज कैसा पास करने का. ये अगर आपको मीन्स प्रॉपर तरीके से समझ में जाएगा और थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करेगा तो डेफिनेटली 100% श्योर दैट यू विल दिस, इसमें से एक मार्क भी लूज नहीं होएगा. यू कैन स्कोर फुल मार्क्स. ओके, देन थोड़ा मीन्स जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स जो भी है, एक्सटेंशन इतना टफ नहीं है. बड़ा लंबा चौड़ा मीन्स क्वेश्चन आंसर्स तो पूछता नहीं है इसमें से, अकाउंट्स में से. सम फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स और some objective type, and then some questions like that will be asked. उसका क्या है, कुछ और definitions etc. सब रहेगा. बाकी तो problems workout करने के लिए होगा. So it will be very easy. So you can score 100% mark. That is the reason I told you that some of my students scored 100% in ICSE board and ISC board. Now the state board, it is very easy, very easy. So definitely if you take it seriously and you study properly, 100% marks you can score. Okay, now let us close this today, and this we will wind up. Wind up this class, and chapter 1 will be finished today. Okay, any other things you require, you can just ask for, because question answers and other worked out problems, many other unsolved problems given in your textbook, and many other additional problems also worked out. So many questions also means gathered from other places, and many other places it is given, answers are given. Okay, that is separately given. I request all my students to study regularly. If you don't understand, watch again and again, because I want my students to score full marks in the subject or just close to 100% mark, and it is possible, and many of my students has done that. Few of my students, those who has taken it seriously and studied properly as per the guidance, as per the instruction, they scored 100% mark. ICSE students also got 100% in 10th standard, and ISC students also got 100%. ISC students scored 100% marks in commerce accounts. So it is possible, and the state board, it is very easy, and to score 100% mark, and by that way you can make your base strong. That will lead your career. Please read again and again, learn and practice to achieve your life's goal. A message: help each other to grow together for a better India. We need many talented and very highly efficient young generation for our country. So pass on this message to many students and your contacts, and many other things. Once you through your Facebook, through your Instagram or any other social media, please share it, so that many students can take the benefit. Some postal education students, distant education students, correspondence students, etc., and many other students, those who cannot afford private tuition classes, also can take the benefit. And some students may not be able to attend the classes, or if they are attending also, since there is a time constraint, they may not be able to understand what is explained in the class. That also, everything is dependent upon the mood of the student. See, for this purpose now, what is the benefit of recorded classes and classroom classes? Now that there is a one video I am going to upload, there it is clearly mentioned what are the benefits of recorded classes and what are the benefits of classroom classes, and what are the disadvantages of classroom classes, and what are the advantages, and who can take the benefits of these recorded classes is explained there properly. That one video I am going to upload later for the benefit of knowing the fact. So please share this so that many students and many public, because those not only students, those who are interested to learn accounts and get a job in the accounts field, they can also make use of these videos. Okay, some public general purpose also I am just uploading many videos, useful videos in accounts and finance field. Okay, so that is the thing. Please share it, share to your contacts through your social media, and you can also recommend. If it is useful to you, you can recommend to others also. Please share it, subscribe and share to your contacts. Thank you. Next we will start with chapter 2 onwards. Chapter 2 will be published on private publishment, so those who subscribe, they can watch it regularly. Okay, thank you so much. Good luck.